Hello guys, my name is Luca from Audio Tribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to connect two JBL speakers without having the party boost mode activated. For this, just turn on the speakers. This is the JBL Partybox on the go. Then on one speaker, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. After you hear that sound, press the Bluetooth button on the other speaker. And now, as you can hear the sound, now these speakers are paired together. Let's connect to a song and play music. So just connect one party box. It says connecting, it is connected, and now go and play a song. And turn the music louder. As you can see, well, the sound, it is in perfect sync, no delay. This true wireless stereo that JBL has, it is amazing, but can only use for pairing two speakers. What do you think? Is this amazing? So even the bass boost function, it is synced. You see? This is a very cool feature. So the sound that is released from these two speakers are amazing. I even recommend to buy two JBL Partybox on the go that has each one mic, then one JBL Boombox 3. It is louder, but this mix, it is way cooler. You can use stereo, remember. So what do you think? Feel free to subscribe our Audio Tribe YouTube channel, and please hit the like button. Cheers!